For a long time, project planning has been a rigid, time-consuming, and overly detailed exercise. Our vision is to make it easy, fast, and flexible. We've replaced the old Gantt chart model with a new concept where streams of deliverables flow through just a few crucially defined project phases. The principal advantage is this: you can get started quickly on a project without waiting for every detail to be filled into the plan. Details can be added later and are automatically accommodated. Our new approach offers 3 distinctive advantages. The first one is visualization. You can easily see the broad outlines of the project and set it up quickly with just a few clicks. The second one is better task and subtask architecture. You can add tasks and subtasks as they arise without affecting the overall architecture of the plan. You can even add a new phase which will be automatically integrated into the plan. The third one is standardization. The standard format for the project means a common process of planning and execution that can be formulated to allow everyone to follow. Let's look further into the benefits of the streams-based planning approach. Consider the traditional Gantt view of a typical new product development plan. The details of deliverables are hidden within the process steps and are aggregated into a single deliverable as a project end milestone. When there is a need to add or remove work scope, how does one know what has changed? Concerto's stream-based planning model offers an alternative approach. Individual deliverables can be clearly defined upfront as features and modules. Then they go through the same process steps defined as phases. Here is an example of Concerto streams-based planning PERT view of the project. In each row, a work breakdown structure, or WBS, is defined as a work scope for the individual module or feature of the new product. If a new WBS is added or an existing WBS is removed, it has virtually no impact on the project's framework. By using phases, you can quickly estimate the impact on required resources. In this example, a pre-designed team could consist mostly of product marketing, sales, and executives, while the design phase relies mostly on engineering and product management people. If adding additional work scope, project manager can intuitively see what it takes to complete the new work for each phase that requires a different set of resources. When we expand the task for more detail, the use of subtasks can detail the required work scope. By combining task and subtask modeling, you can quickly build a plan, assign high-level task durations, and get a quick estimate of the project cycle time. Adding subtask detail, which would come later, does not alter the overall structure of the project framework. In this version of Concerto, we introduce a new type of milestone called pinch point. It acts as a gate in between phases and can be used as a decision control for go or no-go. As you can see, by changing the way how project is traditionally modeled, the stream-based planning can provide the advantages that were not available in the Gantt chart in the timeline type of planning process. In conclusion, the advantages for stream-based planning are better visualization, allowing introduction of new scope with intuitive understanding of immediate resource impact, and standardizing the project planning process across the organization. This concludes this video tutorial training.